Another important character is Cassandra, a Trojan priestess captured by Agamemnon and carried to Argos as his slave and mistress. She was Apollo's lover. Apollo gave her the gift of prophecy, but when she refused to bear him a child, he punished her by making all around her disbelieve her predictions. Okay. Cassandra ছিল অ্যাগামেমননের কনকিউবাইন। তাকে ধরে নিয়ে আসা হয়েছিল ট্রয় থেকে। আচ্ছা, কোরাস, the elder citizens of Argos who were too old to fight in the Trojan War, served as ambassadors to Queen Clytemnestra during Agamemnon's absence. They discussed about the past, present, and future. By their songs, Chorus loves Agamemnon very much. Chorus ছিল একদল গ্রুপ, কোরাসের গ্রুপ মানে কোরাস বলতে একদল গ্রুপ অফ পিপলকে বোঝায় যারা গানের মাধ্যমে ঘটনাকে মানে ডিসক্রাইব করত। Iphigenia doesn't appear during the play. The daughter of Clytemnestra and Agamemnon. Her father sacrifices her during the Trojan War to win the favor of the gods Artemis. Here we can see the beginning of the drama Agamemnon. Agamemnon begins with a watchman on duty on the roof of the palace at Argos, waiting for a signal announcing the fall of the Troy to the Greek armies. A beacon flashes and he joyfully runs to tell the news to Queen Clytemnestra. When he is gone, the chorus made up of the old man of Argos enters that tells the story of how the Trojan prince Paris stole Helen, the wife of the Greek king Menelaus, leading to 10 years of war between Greece and Troy. Then the chorus recalls how Clytemnestra's husband Agamemnon, Menelaus' brother, sacrificed their daughter Iphigenia to the god Artemis to obtain in a favorable wind for the Greek fleet. ওকে, এরপর আমরা দেখতে পাই গল্পটা শুরু হয় এভাবে, ড্রামাটা শুরু হয় এভাবে। এরপরে আমরা যা দেখি যে the queen appears and the chorus asks her why she has ordered sacrifices of thanksgiving. The chorus sings of the terrible destructive powers of Helen's beauty. Agamemnon enters and riding in his chariot with Cassandra, a Trojan princess whom he has taken as his slave and concubine. Clytemnestra welcomes him, professing her love, and orders a carpet of purple robes spread in front of him as he enters the palace. Agamemnon acts coldly toward her and says that to walk on the carpet would be an act of hubris or dangerous pride. The chorus expresses a sense of forbidding, and Clytemnestra comes outside to order Cassandra's inside. The Trojan princess is silent, and the queen leaves her in frustration. Okay, next class আমরা বাকিটুকু পড়ব।